Guys, here's the quick rundown of my $52 purchased at basically my first garage sale weekend where I live. We'll start with the hats. Hats at this sale were $1 a piece. These were the best of the best. Nice NASA hat, vintage snapback Bahamas hat. This one, tournament table hockey. I don't know what that actually is, but it's just so mint and crisp. And then a nice Miami Dolphins hat, which I might just keep. These baseball style hats fit my head much better than the trucker caps, but 15 bucks a piece minimum profit on each of these, so that's $60 right there. This blow up Great Western cooler, that's a popular brand in my area of beer. That'll sell. I'm taking this to the auction to sell. Paid $2 for that. I expect to get about 25. If you have a local auction near you that will take your stuff, this lower end stuff, the smalls I call them, man, I've been dealing with these guys for about a year now. And what I'll do is I'll buy things for $1 or $2. I'll take lots of about 100 different items to them, and they will resell them. And I'm getting $6, $8, $10, $12 for a lot of these things that I don't want to take the time to pack and ship myself. So they take 30%. I take them, say 100 items worth $150. They resell them for $600, $700, $800. Take their 30%, and I'm still making $300, $400, $500 at a time. Basically no work. They take the pictures, they do the shipping, they collect the money, they cut me a check. If you got an auction house near your area, that's a great way to get rid of smalls. This is going there. This large Jimmy Walker decanter on tilt. Actually, I may actually keep this. I may just wash it out and keep it because I think it's pretty cool how it's on this tilt thing. But if I wanted to sell it, it's gonna go for about 30 bucks. This is definitely going to the auction house. This old Skull tequila bottle, I've sold several of these with them. They usually get about 10 or 12 bucks a piece, so we'll see what happens with that. This is another item that's going to the auction house. This was $2. It's clearly a reproduction. There's a lot of these reproductions and people are fine buying them knowing they're reproductions. They're still decoration, they're still wall art, great for the man cave. This will also go for around 20 bucks, so yeah, we're gonna give them $6, but we're still gonna make $12 for doing nothing but dropping it off. These binoculars, they're also going there. I paid $2 for these from the same sale. They're brand new. People bought them, never opened them. The plastic's still on them. $2, I'm gonna take it to the auction and make $10 off of them. I'm fine doing that. I might get more on eBay, but there's so much inventory out there for $1 or $2 that I don't wanna waste the time. I don't wanna waste 15 minutes taking pictures and posting it and then eventually packing it and shipping it and worrying about a return. No, I'm gonna just take it to the auction. They sell it, I get 5x on all my money there. So again, taking $150 and get back to like $750. These beats, they are in great shape, perfect shape. Again, tempting to keep. They are the corded style. You need an auxiliary cord, but they're in mint shape in their case. $10 I paid for those. I'm gonna sell them local. I think people don't try local enough. They immediately run to eBay, but I guarantee you if I put these up locally, $50, I feel like I'm gonna sell them for 50. I'll take 40 for sure. I'll make an easy 30 bucks. No packing, no shipping, no fees, all profit. I don't have to worry about a return. I'm not gonna get any more than 50 bucks for these on eBay, and it might be a long tail sale at that. This Brady jersey, it's a women's jersey. It is brand new. It still has the tags on it. I have no idea why people do this. This was again $2 from these people. This was one of those sales where they have more money than they need and they're just unloading stuff really cheap. I don't know why they're even having a sale because the few $100s they make clearly doesn't make a difference to them. If they can throw away an $80 jersey for $2, I'll sell that for 50. Records are always hot items. I found a great little stack, usually snapping them up for 50 cents, $1 a piece. If I can get a whole bundle, if they have 100 records and they're $1 a piece and I can get them down to 25 or 50 cents, I'll just take them all without even looking. But we got some great titles here. Purple Rain sells for about 25. I can't even find this one. It's a great piece of wall art though. I love that. A couple Elvises, Madonna, a few more generic ones. And this Poison one, also heavy metal, is awesome. That's another easy $20 bill. So this $12 that I spent here is gonna be well over 100. Same people, Wonder Woman, bathrobe, still brand new with tags. Another $2, or maybe they charged me $3 for that, but that's an easy 25 bucks. Last but not least, these golf balls. These were in their free bin. So they are brand new noodle golf balls, not a dozen, but 15 per box. I could easily sell these for $30, $25 for sure. a box. We got 90 golf balls here. They were in the free bin. My total was at $16 with them, and I felt kind of a little bit guilty taking every single golf ball out of the free bin. I'm just not that greedy. So I said, well, I got to give you something for them. So I rounded the $16 up to 25, and I didn't feel guilty at all now taking all of the free golf balls. There it is, 52 bucks spent, about $500 resale. A lot of it's going to go local. It's easy money, you guys. Get out there and chase it. If you want more great tips on what to buy and sell at yard sales and thrift stores to make huge profits, make sure to like and share this video and hit that plus sign to follow at Flippin' for a Living.